Your time is slipping. Your focus is fading, and you think it's normal. You're not lazy. Your brain is being hijacked. And the scary part is, you probably didn't even notice it happening. You sit down to do something important, maybe work, maybe study. You pick up your phone for just a second, and suddenly it's been 40 minutes. One video turns into 10. One scroll turns into an hour. You feel tired, distracted, guilty. So you tell yourself, tomorrow I'll focus, but tomorrow feels exactly the same. Less focus, less energy, less control, like something is slowly slipping away. You're not losing discipline, you're losing control of your attention. Every app you use is designed to keep you hooked. Each swipe gives your brain a quick hit of dopamine. Your brain adapts, craves speed, stimulation, constant novelty, so real work feels painfully slow. That's why focusing feels harder than ever. Not because you're weak, your brain has been trained to avoid it. And if you don't take control of your attention, something else will. So how do you fix something you didn't even realize was broken? Start small. Put your phone away for 30 minutes in another room. Let your brain feel bored again, because boredom is where focus begins. And if focusing feels impossible, don't force it. Start with just 20 minutes and build from there. Because in a world full of distractions, the ability to focus is becoming a superpower, and most people are losing it.